Transport Department, Government of Manipur announces recommissioning of Interstate Bus Terminus, Isbt, Lampak, Imphal, with bus services resuming tomorrow. According to an official press release issued today, bus services will operate from Isbt Imphal on routes including None, Tamenglong, Ukhrul, Kamzong, Wabagay, Sugnu, Yangangpokpi, Chandel, Leisangthem, Moirang, Kakching and Yairipok. Passengers are instructed to board buses only from Isbt Lampak and to book tickets exclusively through electronic ticketing machines (ETM) available with conductors or via the official website manipur.statetransport.m and .gov.in and the Starbus Manipur mobile app. For queries and complaints, passengers may contact the manager MST at 878-754-6522.